turning radius is nice. Okay, let's do a first gear pull. What's up everyone, welcome back to Kevin on Cars. My name is Kevin, and in this video we have a 2022 Honda Civic Touring, and it's a automatic, and this is a hatchback version. So in today's video I will be giving you guys my first impression of the exterior, interior, and then last but not least we'll go for a quick drive on the city roads, highways, and also a little bit of back roads. So without further ado, let's start with the exterior. So walking around in the front, this is an extremely good looking car in every single angle. So yeah, just coming to the very front, you have the Honda logo, and then you have the very aggressive, sporty L-shaped lights. Oh yeah, and also this is a very cool color. In my opinion, it's kind of like the Nardo Gray on Audi's car, but I think they have a different name for the Hondas. It's something like Pearl Gray, something like that. And then coming to the rear, it's also extremely aggressive with that one stripe tail light going all the way across, kind of like the new 911 Porsches. And then you have your Civic logo, the Sport logo, and then Touring spec. And yeah, oh yeah, I also really like the diffuser right there, makes it really aggressive. And kind of real, kind of fake exhaust, because yeah, you can see the real one in there, but I do like the chrome exhaust tips, if you like. So yeah, that's pretty much my first impressions, and I really like those wheels too, very sporty. Yeah, let's hop into the interior. All right, inside, and now the interior. So just the first impression, I really like this grille right here. It's super clean, super sporty, kind of mimics the Lamborghini like hexagon theme. And then yeah, I really like the design here. And then the steering wheel, very sporty, and then just the right amount of thickness, unlike the BMW that are like overly thick. And yeah, we got a little paddle shifter here, and other than that, everything is very nicely laid out. It's just as you expect. So yeah, oh yeah, and let's hop into the back seats. Let's see the backseat rooms real quick. So this is a hatchback version, so yeah, no problem for the headrooms, and yeah, very comfortable right here. And then I also still have some leg room, even though the chair is basically like all the way to the back. So like if you go to the passenger side where the chair is not all the way to the back, it's even more spacious. And the back seat is very comfortable. You got 2 USB chargers, which is awesome. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Not much, just some plastic trims, and overall a very clean back seats. Cup holders, nice. All right, well, that's it for a quick exterior and interior tour. Let's go for a drive. So first we'll be traversing through this parking lot. And right now we're in normal mode, so you can change your mode here. So go down, you have eco mode, up normal, and then up sports. You can see those modes there. And then pull the parking. Oh no, it's pressed down. Wow. Okay. Of course. Go back to normal mode. And let's go. So as we driving through this parking lot, we can see the turning radius. Very good. Yeah, so one thing I instantly noticed is how light and nimble the steering wheel is, which how light and nimble the steering feel is. So it makes you feel like this is a extremely light car, which it is. So yeah, everything is really smooth, very easy to control and do. Yeah, this is a very tight parking lot, and then we're going through it with ease. Yeah, overall low speed and in tight parking lot circumstances, this car is performing extremely awesome. Oh, and also have engine start stop when you're in the light to save some fuel. So a little bit of turn. Let's go. Wow, this car turns very flat, very minimal body roll right there, so you feel very confident through that turn. So yeah, just going in the city here in the normal mode. It's a very nice cabin. It's relatively quiet, not really quiet though compared to like other Lexus or Accord, but it's a nice and quiet cabin. And if you're just using this car as a commuter, I think this is a great choice. Dang it, there's a bit more car than I expected on this part. I'm gonna give them some distance. Let's put it into sport mode. Downshift. Downshift. Dang, it lets you downshift to like 5.5K. That's insane. And like the engine sounds, it doesn't sound super sporty, but at least it doesn't have fake engine sounds. So it's very natural, just a solid 4-cylinder sound. Let's do another downshift, downshift, pull. Yeah, very smooth, and the brakes are nice and smooth. Now we're gonna do a U-turn back. Wow, that's awesome. Yeah, so the transmission, the CVT, it's not very sporty, but this is not like a sports car by any means. Turning radius is nice. Okay, let's do a first gear pull. Very nice. Nice and strong. So now going into the corner, just throttle, minimal body roll. the car feels very neutral. Like back there, it feels like it's about to understeer a little bit, but then the rear also like moves with it too. Yeah, it's nice. Very neutral. And the downshift is not slow. It is not slow. Yeah. Whew, that was a nice run. So let's hit some highways. Oh yeah, and one more thing I just felt about the transmission. Let's go over there. So yeah, about the transmission, the gearing is super close together. Like after the first gear is pretty long, but then the second, third, and I think second and third, they're extremely close together. So when you shift from second to third, it's basically just like drop from 6,500 RPM to 5,500 RPM. Yeah, let me show you. So let's do it again. See, that first gear is long, second gear is 5,500 RPM. Just keep shifting, second and then third and then fourth. Very short, very closely geared gearbox. So now on the highway, I actually want to take what I said before back, because you do have some road noise, and the insulation is definitely not the best. You can just hear cars passing by, even like sedans. You can just hear them like really clearly as they pass by. But as for the ride quality, it's on the firm side, but it's still comfortable. Like you can still feel the road, like the light bumps and undulations, the contours, but it doesn't feel like you're being beat up by the road. So yeah, that's my first impression of this 2022 Honda Civic Touring, and with the automatic transmission. So overall, I really like the car. For under $30,000, you get a very nice package that makes this sports and comfortable, comfort and like / daily drivability. And you also get a very nice quality interior. And basically, if you want to have fun, you can do that with the sport mode and then put on paddle shifters. And if you want to just chill, you can just put it in normal mode and relax. So thanks you guys for watching. As usual, if you guys like the video, please hit the like button. And if you guys want to watch more, please subscribe to my channel, Kevin on Cars. I would appreciate that. And as always, drive safe, have fun. See you guys next time.